Okay, guys, if you have been looking for how to spot out a long trading opportunity in boom and crash, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video we will be looking out at how to spot out a long trading opportunity in boom and crash, and I will be sharing with you how to analyze your market to know if it is going to go for a very long time, or if it is not going for a very long time. If it gets to a support and you feel it should reverse and it is not reversing, how to spot out all these so that you will know how to go on with your trading journey. So these are some of the things we'll be looking at in today's video. So if you have been looking for a way to milk this market for a very long time, then you need to watch this video to the very end, because this will help you when to come into the to know when to come into the market and when to exit the market, or maybe you should stay away from the market totally at that particular time and wait for the market to set for you before you come into the market. These are some of the things we will be checking out in today's video. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this to the very end. Okay, so before we move on into today's video fully, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very vital. Okay, and if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you also find them in the description box below this video. And also quickly, if you if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also kindly set the notification on all notification. Okay, that way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So quickly, let's go straight into the market to see what is happening with the market today before we go fully into today's video. So let's check out what is happening in the market. I'm starting with boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator for this. Okay, for boom 1000, it is presently on downtrend. As you can see, this support level was broken this time around. You can see it was broken this time around, and it tried to have a reversal here, but it was not a very long one, not a major one, but it was broken and it went long. It went on a long downtrend. We got a sell signal here, and it's still going down to this level. That is 50-minute candles, which is amazing. So you should be looking at the next support level before you get a reversal in price action. So, and you can actually get that on higher time frame. So you can take it to 5-minute time frame to see if you will be able to get the next support level here. And of course, you will be able to get it here. All you just need to do is just to squeeze it up. This is the next support level. This is the next support level. So you should be looking at this area for your reversal in price action. So check it out, and as your price action is approaching there, you can also exit the market around there. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000, and I'm using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, as you can see, crash 1000 is on uptrend at the moment. Started the downtrend from here. You can see from this resistance level and got to this support level, which led to the uptrend. We got a buy signal here, but check it out from here. It was confirmed from here, and the market has been on uptrend since this level, to this level, which is about 35 minutes candles. Of course, we have our exit arrow popping out here, so which means you should exit the market right now. Okay, if you are still in the market, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. For boom 500, I'm using the signal, the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, for this the market has been on a very long downtrend starting from here. If you should check it out, this is where the downtrend started from. And from on this candle, the downtrend started on this candle. We got our sell signal here, and it's been going down and down. In between, we are having little spikes happening in between, but as you can see, it didn't get to our entry point. Okay, this should be our exit area, which is on this candle. You can see our exit area should be on this candle, or probably on this trend. Okay, you can see the trend change to uptrend here, so you can exit here. So you can imagine the amount of profit you would have made if you had come in right from here. You can see be in a big profit at the end of the day. Of course, the uptrend started from here, and you can see our uptrend arrow popping out here, and you can see that the spikes have been going on since then. So if you had come in here, you would have milked the market successfully to this level. So that is how to go about it. So let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. This is 1 hour time frame. Of course, we don't need to say anything. It is on uptrend. As you can see, the line, the candles are blue, which means the market is on uptrend. But of course, it is at the resistance level, so we might be experiencing some downtrend very soon. So watch out for that. Okay, so I'll be stopping here with my analysis. Let's go straight into what we have for today. But remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you also find them in the description box below this video. And also, you can also join the Telegram channel so that you can learn more from me. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Let's go into what we have for today, which is how to spot out a long trading opportunity in boom and crash. Okay, let's go straight into the market so that we know how to go about it. So okay, this is it. I'm using boom 1000 for this. Okay, there are two ways to go about it. I'm going to share with you two easy way to go about it. These two ways will help you to identify your entry points and your exit points. So the first one, okay, before sharing with you the two easy ways, like I used to say, all these assets are trend trading assets. So the first thing you need to consider is the trend of the market. Okay, for boom, let's say we want to sell boom, so the trend is on downtrend. Make sure the best way, it is better you know that the best way to sell boom is to make sure the market is on downtrend. So right now you can see that the market is on downtrend at this region. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. I put the time frame on 1 hour, and the market is on downtrend. So the first method is using the signals on the main chart. Okay, the signals are the red arrow and the blue arrow. The red arrow shows a sell, the blue arrow shows a buy. Okay, so how do we go about it? It is better, like I used to tell you, it is better you follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, which signal is in support of the trend? Of course, the trend is red, which means downtrend. Definitely the arrow is also red, which means a sell. Okay, so it is better we sell when the market is on downtrend. So you follow the sell signals. Check it out. We got a sell signal here, and it's sold to this level. Okay, we got another one here, and it's sold to this level. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame. Being in the market for 5 hours is not a joke. Okay, and in maximum profits. Okay, we got another sell signal here. You can see that is 12 candles, which is for 12 hours, and we got another sell signal here. So you can always use this to milk the market successfully. So how do you identify your entry point? Since the market is on red, once you get a sell signal here, you can come in and enter. Okay, how do you know your exit point? Okay, your exit point is when you see the blue arrow popping out, because that is telling you that the market will be going back or reversing back on uptrend. It might be for a few period because the market is on downtrend, and it can also be for a long period if the market is reversing totally. Okay, so which means you should exit the market at that point. Okay, so once you see your exit arrow popping out, you should exit the market immediately. So you can see more of that. Check out this, and till this level you exit the market immediately. Okay, and you can do more and more of that. each time you have such opportunity. This is another one. We got another sell signal here, and this went for a very long time. This can go for days. Okay, this is 39 minutes candles. You can see that it actually went for days. So that is how amazing it is. Okay, this is the first method. The second method also is what you need to consider when you make the first method. Okay, that is the way it works. So what is the first method? Following the arrows. The second method is, let's say you come into the, you just open up your chart now and you feel like trading, and you already notice that the arrow is already out already, and you miss the opportunity to come in when the arrow came out. Okay, when should you come in again? You look at these 4 MA candles. You can see the QDC 4 MA candles. Once it's crossed it from above below it, okay, from above below it, okay, let's say it has gotten to this level, you can easily come in and pick up your trade. Because you missed the arrow, then you shouldn't miss this. It is a breakout point. Okay, it is a breakout point, so you can come in and pick up your candles. Okay, so far the market is still red. Okay, definitely you should follow the breakout that happens below the 4 MA candles. You can see this is another one. You can see you will always have such opportunity. This is another one again. You can see another breakout points, giving you 5 hours trading opportunity. You can see this is another one. This actually gave us 12 hours trading opportunity, and this is another one. And your exit arrow, even for the breakout point, is not when it breaks out above the candle. It is when the exit arrow pops out. Okay, it is when the exit arrow pops out. And if the market is on uptrend, then the reverse should be the case. Okay, then it should break out above the candle, the 4 MA candles, before you can come in. That is if the market is on uptrend. And the same thing is applicable for the first method, which is using the signal on the main chart. So that means you should follow the blue arrow at that point, okay, because the market is on uptrend at that particular time. So I'll be stopping here with my explanation. I believe you have learned 1 or 2 things from today's video. Okay, I want you to watch this over and over again so you are able to master every steps I have highlighted in today's video, and have these settings on your demo account. Practice it exactly what I have explained to you. Practice it and see if it will work for you or not. Okay, it works for both boom 1000 and boom 500, and it also works for crash 1000 and crash 500. You can try it out and see. Try it out for a whole day. See how much profit you are able to make with it, and probably the following day, after being sure that you are okay with what you have practiced, then you can go on your live account and go gradually with it, okay, and see how much profit you will be able to make at the end of the day. So I'll be stopping here right now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.